Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Architi Creations. A warm welcome into lesson 2 of Kalamkari for beginners. Now I hope you've been able to see lesson 1 and you've been able to make your basic shapes and border patterns we covered in 1 centimeter and 2 centimeters. So do practice that. Now in today's lesson, let us first discuss what all we need. You need any A4 sheet or you can also do this in your drawing copy. We will be using a Micron pen. I am using a Micron 0.4. You can use any Micron that you have or any black gel pen. We will be using our colored pens. These colored pens are 0.3 mm I'll be using brush pens. You can also decide to go for sketch pens. So let us start. Now I have taken my A4 sheet and I have just divided it into 9 parts because we'll be learning 9 different kinds of floral motifs today. Okay? So just divide your paper into equal 9 parts depending upon whether you are taking your copy or your drawing book, whatever you are taking, just divide it into 9 parts. Now let us start. Now in here, each of the motifs that we create are the traditional kalamkari floral motifs. The more you practice, the better it is going to help you when we are doing our bigger style paintings. Now we will start with a simple floral motif here. Now as we did in the beginner's lesson, first we are going to draw a circle, another circle around it. After that, we will come to the curvy line. As I was telling you in the border pattern also, this is very popular when we do kalamkari. Now, after we've drawn this, we are going to draw 6 petals. So this is again going to be curved like this. Okay. See, we've made our 6 petals, and in between we are going to make a tall semicircle. Like this, and we are just going to make and we are going to give now generally the leaves are also very curvy in nature. Like this. Now we'll do our coloring side by side so that we start completing our motifs alongside. So you can use, of course, colors of your choice. Here I'll be using the brighter colors. Now this is our first motif. Coming to the next motif. Now the next motif that we are going to draw is similar to this one, but in this we are going to again have 3 lines here. There is going to be a curvy center like this. We are now going to have only 4 petals. So I am just drawing like this, and we are going to have our leaves here. like this. Okay, and there is going to be the same semicircle in the center. So, so this way our second motif is also done. Now let us come to the third floral motif. Now this is a little different floral motif. In this we are first going to make a big drop shape like this. At the base make an inverted drop shape in the other way round. Then we are going to make another drop shape on both the sides like this. A circle here, a circle here. So this becomes the center of our flower. Now we are going to make smaller drop shapes. Now since this form of art was used a lot in temples, so you will find that very intricate designing is used in the elaborate paintings, and all the parts of the painting are done up very delicately. Now see how beautiful this motif is also looking. Now next is another very beautiful motif of flower. In this, first we are going to make a small drop shape like this. Then a tiny drop shape inside and another one. So they're basically 3 layers. And it is attached to this shape like this. Now we're going to make the curve. So this is a 5-layer curve. Just draw another line of curve like this. Draw circles. Now we are going to draw a semicircle. And this is attached to the, you remember the border shape that we had made like this. like this. The leaf that is drawn with this is again a 5 bow. So it is 1, 2, 3, like this. And its veins are like this. You can decide to even use 2 different colors in this. Like this. There can be a little variation. I'll make a smaller one here in which this curvy part is on top and the roundels are below. Like this. And the outer pattern is the same. So this is a little variation in the same. Again, you can choose colors of your choice and make it very pretty. Here I'll be using blues. So this way, next we come to another type of flower. In this, draw a long line like this, and it has this shape. Then it has another shape like this. And now the flower starts. So first there is a semicircle double line. Then we have the same curved line. Now in the center, like this. Like this. And for the leaf, like this. Now next, first we are going to make double drop shapes. So make a drop shape, make another drop shape. Now again curve, like this. Now it's going to be this shape. Okay. Now we are going to attach it like this. Now here it's going to be a tall leaf. like this. Like this. Now next motif. Now in this, make a circle. See, the center part is going to be the same. Okay. Now here the difference is that the petals we are going to make in this way. Okay, let us make here also. Next we are going to draw another very elaborate flower. So here circle in the middle, then we are going to draw 2 lines like this. After that we will draw the circles this time in such a way that the shape becomes oval instead of rounded. Now in the center, like this. Now in this we are going to do the joining here. Now generally these are made as tall stems with 2-3 flowers on all sides, and leaves are also made. Like this. Now next is a floral kind of a motif that I am making. in which we are just dividing it into various branches, just like this. Now here I'm going to make this shape. Okay. So now in this way, our kalamkari basic motifs, floral motifs are ready to create your own and share with us.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.